Linda Hooper, your Norwex independent consultant, and I'm here to show you how to clean a bathroom quick and easy with just these two cloths, the EnviroCloth and the window cloth, and only water. No chemicals needed. So first of all, we are going to take our EnviroCloth and wet it good. Some nice warm water. I'm going to fold it in half, fold it in half again, and then this way in half. Wring it out good. And first I'm going to touch up the mirror. I'm going to just wipe the mirror all over the wet EnviroCloth. Next, I'm going to take my window cloth, once again, folding it in half and then in half again. And you always want to use a full flat surface when using these cloths so that they will pick up 99% of your germs and bacteria while wiping. So now I'm going to take my window cloth and I am going to just shine up the window, shine up the mirror. Absolutely no streaks. Next, I'm going to take my wet EnviroCloth and I'm going to clean the counter. Go over the faucet, handle. I'm going to take my window cloth and shine up the faucet. Get any spots off of there. Shines it up beautiful. Go back to my EnviroCloth. I'm going to wipe out the sink. Absolutely no chemicals needed. Using your EnviroCloth properly, wet, a flat surface will pick up 99% of your germs and bacteria. Sink is done. Now I'm going to move on to the toilet. Clean this all off. Get the handle nice and clean. I'll go down here. Clean my toilet seat. Go around the rim. Any boys, you know what lands on the rim. That's it for cleaning. The quick and easy cleanup of your counter and toilet seat and your mirror. And then to clean your EnviroCloth, you're just going to run it under hot water. I'm going to rub it together real good. Help release any of the bacteria, germs. And once again, wring it out. And then you just hang it to dry. And with the microsilver running through it, as it dries, it's going to purify this cloth so you can use it again tomorrow for a quick cleanup. I hope you enjoyed that and happy cleaning.